Now, I had this conversation. I know what you're thinking. A lot of times people are like, yeah, right, come on, this is a lot of stuff. Yeah, right, what am I supposed to go around just ringing bells all the time? Am I supposed to go around and say, hey, thank you for showing up. Hey, thank you for being here. Thank you for doing your job. No, I'm not saying that at all. One time recently, I was in Dallas, Texas. I was consulting for a very fast-growing dental company. We were having a conversation around the big boardroom table. And had a conversation with one of the top guys named Ben. And he had that exact same objection. He said, come on, man, I can't be doing all this. This is too much. People should be doing their job. What do you mean? Why should I have to go and thank all of these people? I said, Ben, you paid for lunch today, right? He said, yeah. I said, well, how many times should you pay without me telling you thank you? How many times should you do something like, how many times should you open the door for me without me telling you I appreciate it? Because that which you don't recognize will eventually exit your life. So I said, I'll tell you what, let's put it like this. Let me break it down. Let me show you the type of appreciation that connects. There's 3 doors that we have to pass through. Number 1, recognizing their effort. Door number 1, I see you. And we should do that daily. Why is that so hard? Because usually we think, oh, that's just them doing their job. But until they don't do their job, we don't realize the value in doing that. Door number 2, rewarding their results. The effort that they're putting in should be attached to a reward because now they see the impact of them filling out that spreadsheet, filling out their expense report on time. They're seeing a Pavlovian connection between this is what I do and this is what I get.